All right, Team DWC. So for today, at the end of our videos from here on out, y'all know we're gonna have us a custom outro. Let's see if I can get this right. Boom.
Want us to know, because then we'd buy all the water. Then there'd be nothing left to drink but beer. And the government knows that beer will set us free. How do you talk?
All right, so y'all remember to go to the home page, go down to playlist. See what I'm saying? Check out our video sponsor. We got a Team DWC video sponsor. The playlist is right there. Then on the home page, you see we got our popular uploads, our shorts.
Tell us about the car 1,000,000 times. Will you please talk about how hungry and horny I am?
Anyways, I'll leave that playing in the back with no sound. Yeah, but anyways, like I was saying, on our main page, check out the video sponsors. You know, we got them up here, posted up. Shouts out to Brother Azim, James Gype, TSM. We also got the Green Table, Spider Pig, and the backup NFG channel. Y'all know how we get down over there. Then we also got Blind Guy, his wife, Rich New Design, and Triple B's Farms. You know, all of our video sponsors is now officially on our channel and in the video description. Y'all make sure y'all hit the bottom little arrow down there to hit the video description to see all this information I'm showing y'all right here on the channel. But y'all know how we do. We gonna stop by the trap houses. Always gotta remind y'all to hit up the Buy Me a Coffee. Check us out on the YouTube. Like I said, the YouTube sponsor playlist is all of the sponsors of the channel's content, so y'all make sure y'all hit that up. But here's the Team WC sponsor playlist. Triple B, Blind Guy, Zine. I think we need to add another Green Table video, but they in there. Boom, Green Table Podcast. Yep. Y'all know what time it is. And of course, the Buy Me a Coffee. Y'all know y'all should be supporting that. Probably gonna start doing a weekly monetization stream so y'all get monetized, so y'all can get the benefits that I'm getting from using the site. I ain't gonna show y'all too much before we go. You know, I don't want to hold y'all up too long, but y'all know that this is what y'all want to see right here. The Buy Me a Coffee. Did y'all see 25, 15, 5? That's the support you get using the site. Then the post. I'm using it currently to traffic my Amazon links. That's where y'all get to see the content that's available there. Y'all already know what time it is. TWP, double twist, throw some trees in there, and blow that smoke out. So now let's see, we're going to hit that button back. We're going to get that out the way, because that's about all we needed that for on the outro.
I'm thanking you for watching and subscribing. I'm thanking you for watching and subscribing. I'm thanking you for watching and subscribing. TWP, that's what's popping. I'm thanking you for watching and subscribing. I'm thanking you for watching and subscribing. I'm thanking you for watching and subscribing.